Kum shibanta banyale ban pensung thu ikipat ba shapang ki an ki kanun ki bathamai hakasri palai jong katayo katanat kampo ing sarkar jela kala penlong ya karan san pen inam ne kanyanya sanhita exhibition hanong ba shilong
Katanat Home Police jong gejala Meghalaya kala penlong ya karan san pen inam kanya kanyai sanhita exhibition kabatmu ban pecai pekbah lot ki an mai ibadai naga benta ki kamruna kini kejeng i galong berengkam namar gejala Meghalaya kala jam 6 ars nempura ha kejeng pencari ba kejeng pentre kami ki an mai syitrik hitung arazar arpusau Kebeluan ban bujrino ikan ibarim baju menteri kam ya kapalat cispasan prosnem. Agani kesini sembut menteri rangba kejela ubari kini yang kena polis ba Preston Tensong ulawan bani syem benta kumbuk kongsan. Abakran agani kesini ula penpa kejeng sokya kemakrau ulau kejeng long jengman ba kerukam perkat kisamla ha kaba ula kedau syai wala kilatip pahai kian bat ki kendon. Nda kejeng syai kalong bagi bodi kian tang namar bagi tiang yagi pulet bagi jeng syak dan kuna. Om namar kejeng sokya dan kejeng sokro syong san bat kabaha kamiat joki emang salam. Ula kentu ya kisamla bagi nong chong bagi deban penkelano ikut rukam perkhat bat ban buat kendon na kemen sngubha. Ula pensyai bagi jeng buat an kedai ban sedangin la dia namar bagi kendon ke sarkar kilong na kebenta kejeng bahar joki nong chong hi. Bat om dai ban syem ya ki kum kejeng tombor ne kejeng pensytom na ke sarkar. Kenang menelek persyak kini ke rukam perkhat Ula weru igdar balsnong bagi deban senok tilang bat ke sarkar ban pentela ya kani. Aba kedau halor ka pangtrikam uba Preston Tensong ula sot ya ke T3 framework kabatau ya ke timeline ke teknologi ba ke trust menong kumglenti ke babnya penelam lenti ke jeng pentrikam ya kini ki antemai hagan sini la yo ru ban pensyong kya ya kini ke program da ke jeng plia pat ba ya ke SOP bat ke jeng ai kusnam ya Dr. Benjamin CH Momen da ke benta ke jeng syakri ke bakodo tubu hagan sini le don lang ru ikong ai nongrang Director General Kipulit Kejela belai ke Kentian yang Sobha uba Frederick R. Karkongor Principal Secretary Jakarta Home Police lambat kiwek Officer Jakarta Pulit ki kena skul bagi samla pulia di belawan mani syembenta ha kena kerensan
I don't know, I experienced myself whether it's right or wrong. The issue here in the state of Meghalaya, especially for our young people, they know the laws. They know each and every line, even the semicolon, even the colon, even the full stop. They know about the laws. Don't do this or you have to do this. Everybody, when you ask them, they know the laws. But the problem that we have is this. Whatever laws being implemented by the law enforcers or by different departments in the government, the behavior that we have here is very, very concerning. Why I'm saying that, I question myself because when I was young students like you, I'm the person who is so scared of police. The moment I see a uniformed guy, then I will run away. Or if not, I'll try to avoid to be near him. So I was also driving scooter that time. I hate using helmet. I don't like using helmet at all. But what to do? I have to use it because I'm scared of the police. That is the mistake we have. That is the behavior we have. I did not think that wearing or using the helmet is for my safety. It is for my security. But I fail to understand that. I comply this just because I don't want to be fined. I don't want a penalty from the law enforcers. So my dear young boys and girls, let us change the behavior. I think it's time that we need to change. These SOPs that we put it in place today, let us treat it that this is number, it starts from me. And then we will spread this to our family members that yes, I need to abide by the laws, by the regulations, by the SOPs. It is not that the government imposes you to do that. If you feel that the imposition is done by the government, I think that is wrong. The government bring in regulations from time to time for your own good. For me, for all of us here, for the community, and also for the citizens of the state.